Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download music directly to your Apple Watch so you can listen to it completely offline. Thanks to this process, you can even leave your iPhone at home and enjoy your offline music right on your wrist. Step number 1. The Watch app. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down and tap on Music. Tap Add Music to browse through your library. Tap the plus icon next to any playlist or album you want to sync. You can choose separate songs, albums, or even entire playlists. You can check the option to automatically download on your Apple Watch recent music. If you want to remove an album or song from your watch, just swipe from the right to the left and tap on the delete button. Step number 2. Charge and wait. Once you have added all your albums and playlists to your Apple Watch in the Watch app, place your Apple Watch on its charger. Keep your iPhone nearby with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Wait for the sync to complete. I recommend doing this right before you go to sleep, so it's fully downloaded for your morning workout. Usually, the sync process takes some time, especially if you have lots of albums and large playlists. You can see the progress bar in the Watch app on your iPhone. Music will continue to download the next time your Apple Watch is charging. I also recommend putting your iPhone on charge so it charges simultaneously with your watch while transferring your music. Once the progress bar finishes, your music is stored locally on your Apple Watch. Just connect your AirPods directly to your watch and you're good to go. Enjoy your offline music on your wrist. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Peace.